YouTube? It's your boy King Say Something. I'm back. Before we get to it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you always watch full video.
You don't know who's coming with us?
Oh, I think I was told somebody's name. I forgot the name.
What's going on, guys? I'm Steven. You remember me?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. See you.
Good.
Welcome, brother. Good. Respect. Welcome.
Hit back.
It's only cash on you then. Hey, my little mama, she go all crazy. She got bands, she keep in the bank. Niggas talk down cause I'm doing what they can't. New penthouse just to park my Wraith. But buy your ass, better know how to shake. 2 on, she think she Tinashe. The gram got you thinking you poppin'. You turned with that brand new body. You turned with that brand new body. You turned with that brand new body. 2 on, she think she Tinashe. The gram got you thinking you poppin'. You turned with that brand new body.
Want to gamble for some reason.
Look, I know it. I
Club
know
was
it.
lit though. We had a fun time. I'm a little turned. Too turned actually. Woo! What's good, y'all? And Halo out here getting a little bit of sun. Kicking and vibing early in the morning. Me and your mama went to the club last night. It was cool. We had a good time. You was asleep. We was gonna bring you, but since you had to get some work done, so we just left. It's a nice morning, y'all. It's super duper sunny, so I can't really see. Just trying to get a little bit of sun on him. You know, he almost my color. A little bit. Getting his tan on. Why you always be crying in my videos, man? He only cry when the camera come on. He don't like being on camera. I see a lot of y'all be saying, he always crying. Well, he a baby, bitch. Say, I'm a baby, nigga. Duh, I'm crying. How else am I supposed to communicate? Babies don't cry just because they sad. They cry because they don't know how else to communicate.
Exactly, bro.
Like he can't say, hey, I'm hungry. Like right now he might be saying, hey, your sun too damn hot, nigga, move. Or he's saying, hey, I want a bottle real quick. Or hey, I got a burp. But he can't physically say it or verbally say it. So he gotta cry so I can just figure it out. Half of y'all not even parents, so y'all can't tell me I'm a parent. I've been a parent for 90 days. I know more than people that have been parents for years. So don't teach me how to parent. You wanna see the ocean a little more? The world want to see you. You ready? All your mama family, they underwater watching. You ready?
Feel mama.
These are your little water cousins. You ready?
This thing,
You ready to
boy.
see your mermaid cousins?
Bakes, cocoa tea, saltfish, fish cakes, and fried plantain. That's our good Friday breakfast.
Yeah. Niggas gon' see my Grammy and be like, Danny up. Feeling like I'm on top, feeling like I can't be touched.
Same thing they had in Jamaica.
That should look fire, though.
Let's see if it's good out here too. Mama clap.
Oh!
That wasn't the same, huh? Did
No.
it feel the same? No. I tried, y'all. Some stuff can't be recreated, man. I tried to get y'all another meme. Didn't work. I'm sorry. Damn. Mama clap. Not working. Fuck. Alright, fuck it. Going to the beach. First time at the beach, man. First time for everything. Woo-hoo. The baby.
That shit is still crazy. He really a dad, bruh.
Nice little resort. Sundressing gallery cannot be seen. Shout out to Shay, he got me this hat for my birthday. Bucket hat season right now. We're just trying to get into the fashion early. Covering the sun up. He went gallery, as you can see, obviously. I went Gucci on him. Keeping it humble, not going too crazy. We ain't pull out the real bucket shit. Take him on the beach, get him in the beach water. Yeah, I know. You ready to go meet your cousins? Uncle Flounder in there too. Is that right? Uncle Flounder?
Yeah.
She said, yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Your mama not in character. Tell her to say Uncle Flounder. Uncle Flounder gonna be in your mama.
Really?
Uncle Flounder gonna be in your mama.
Smile.
I said Uncle Flounder gonna be in your mama.
Uncle Flounder will be there. Oh! Yeah. But Flounder is like my boy, like my best friend. It would be Uncle Sebastian.
Yeah, Sebastian gonna be in there. Woo. Sebastian gonna be in the water, or he gonna be on our plate. Woo. Okay, it's okay. You waiting on the picture to be taken? It's not coming. I'm sorry. No, not today. No face reveal today, son. No. It's okay.
Give me the baby. He's hungry. Is it comforting?
I don't get it.
What do you want to do?
This nigga just be doing shit. This not even cool. Don't make sense, do it? Maybe because we got teeth.
Yeah, our teeth are in the way.
Yeah, this probably feels good on his gums.
On his gums.
Just sliding across his gums. Where our teeth like stopping him.
It's kind of nice though.
But you couldn't keep it in your mouth. You'd fall
It's my
out.
teeth.
He was just sitting in his mouth.
Bruh, what are you doing? I guess parents always doing weird stuff, bruh.
It's jet ski time. Jet ski time. Jet ski time. Jet ski time. Alright, y'all. I'm in the middle of nowhere right now. It's very, very wavy. Extremely wavy. 100% not safe. But I'm finna try to make it to that island over there by myself. The people that own the jet skis don't know. But they don't even know, nigga. I do what I want. We almost there, man. Oh, yeah, man. Already taking her sweet time. You go faster.
You said, nah, I'm cool. Imagine that thing run out of water, run out of juice somewhere.
I'm going to that island. I'm taking that bitch over. That's my island. That's my island, nigga. Woo! I need that island on you, nigga. I made it to the island, y'all. After all that driving, I get to the island and I realize the island ain't everything that I thought it could be. Let this be a lesson in life, y'all. You can be chasing something for so long and you can be thinking it's the best thing ever because from afar, it looks like it's the best thing ever. But then when you get up close, you realize it really ain't nothing.
Lesson learned, y'all. Now I'm finna go back home. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I gotta let them go if they keep fucking up the business.
Oh, that sounded like it was hard. Gotta let him go.
Oh man, I got
$100,000
cash
bro.
in my pocket too. Fuck it, the fish needed more. Woo! I'm gonna be scared now. I'm gonna jump in. It stopped. It stopped.
Fire was cold as hell.
I did it.
That was not good.
You're good. Grab it. Grab it all really. Thing on the back, yeah.
I'm cool on the ocean, bro. I'm cool.
In the arms of
Oh my God. Oh my God. Can't believe I did it. I hurt. You seen it?
That was amazing. That was not.
Was it good? Put that over here.
Oh shit, I ain't know you. Oh, dang. Woo! Keep it on me. Woo! Ooh, that's a lot. You could get hit in the face if you were pushing.
This thing crazy, bro. Like, damn.
Alright, y'all, that's the coast. of St. Lucia. St. Lucia, I had an amazing time. You have a beautiful country. Hopefully, I am welcome back. Come back here one day. It's my son's first vacation ever in his life. That's what makes it even more special. But I just kind of wanted to come out here and give a quick little debrief. I had a lot of fun. This is the last day of the trip. Well needed. Halle had a lot of fun for her birthday. This was 100% her idea to come out here. She'd been out here with her family before, so she wanted to come back. So we made it happen. We had a great, nice family time. Did a lot of stuff. Took a lot of beautiful pictures. Yeah, this is a great milestone scratched off as a family, as a beginning family, and especially for Halo. You're gonna be able to look at these pictures and videos and be so excited and being shocked that he did all of this and that he was a baby or whatever. So that's what it's all about, man. Creating memories. That's what I like so much about this new age and new internet. It's like, I don't have no videos from when I was a kid, but Halo gonna be able to see these videos on YouTube and our phones or whatever. He'll be able to see himself. So,
oh God, that is a pro about
super duper excited. I finna go finish up Die for Respect 2 for all my music supporters. You know, that's the project I had. Hood Melody with Young Boy on. I had Impatient with Corla Ray. I had a bunch of records on there. 42 Doug. Just go listen to Die for Respect, the first one, and then you'll get excited for the second one. So I'm going to finish it up after this, getting right back into the studio, right back to work, and we're gonna keep going. I ain't miss a day yet. I don't plan on it, y'all. If I miss a day, something bad happened. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning in and tapping back in, even though I've been absent for so long. And I appreciate y'all for sticking with me throughout all these years, man. I will continue to inspire, motivate, and entertain. That's my job. Love y'all. See y'all in the next video.
Wait, hold on. I gotta worry, so I have to re-edit the vlog. That's this one. Oh, that's that video. Somebody was like, react to this video, and when I went to go look at it, the video was gone. So I guess this is this work.
And this be from Cash, not from YouTube.
Jamal. Yeah. All right, let's go.
Ooh, it's hot. I go ATV and y'all. Or get real adventures.
You're gonna bring your bikes up in there.
Okay. All right, y'all. I got the wireless mic on. It's a little. Oh shit. It's gonna sound a little different. Might sound better. Might sound bad. I don't know, but we finna ride the ATV. We're gonna be far away, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and get on the mic so y'all can hear me. And I know y'all gonna want to hear me, so get on it. Oh shit, doodle water. Whoa! Yeah! Woo! I'm going fast. Woo! Yeah! Woo!
House in the middle of nowhere, man.
That's it.
Ah!
That's it. Go that way.
Ah! 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 They said 5 people died on there last week. That same hill, y'all. We made it. Woo! Ran down the street, man. We in Pontiac, Michigan,
Probably
going
was trying
crazy.
to gun it, hit a hill,
My city
flip.
always got the best.
Ooh.
The best views, the best everything, man. Holla at me, come see me, man. You hear me on a mic, up close in person. When I get back on the tube, they know I'm working.
I ain't miss a day yet. I'm doing this because I fuck with y'all, not because I need a paycheck. I've been getting money since I was a youngin'. Man, me versus you is like hot Cheetos versus Funyuns. You ain't got a chance. I pull up, man, they see muscle in my stance. I walk in the mall, all the people make a chant. DDG, 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 DDG. I'm like, you and he can never be like me. You can't see, I drink too much water, now I gotta pee. Butterflies and wasps and bumblebees everywhere I go. Woo, 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 woo. I'm about everything in the stove. Pulling up to the ocean on them type shit. You know, type shit. 11 in the morning, pulling up to the ocean in the ATV type shit, you know. Type shit, nothing too crazy, just type shit.
This nigga tripping, boy.
And enjoying it.
Nice. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
We got some local painting inside of there as well. You guys can have a look at it.
You said we got what?
Local painting.
Oh, I thought you said juice or something. I was going to say, what?
Now, the juice coming.
Oh, okay.
Now we deal with the coconut water. We don't do normal shit around here.
Okay, cool. Yeah, man. Rum punch. I'm trying to drink and drive, man.
Oh.
I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
Good. Yeah.
Let me see what she's doing. Just coconut water?
Yeah, coconut
Oh, man. You okay?
Yeah. Right now.
Let me see what's in here. You want to see these paintings? Never mind. Nice. Take a little break, man. Pontiac, Michigan, a crazy city, man.
That one was hard. That paint was tight.
Nice. Pontiac, Michigan, a crazy motherfucker, man. I be forgetting how beautiful the city is. It's crazy.
That one.
This is like a color purple house, don't it? Just give me one line. Just give me one line. Just give me one line. One line.
That he says? I can't remember.
One line.
He'd be talking to Fantasia like, get in here and make me something to eat, woman.
All right. Get in here and make me something to eat, woman.
No.
You supposed to say your line?
No.
I'm coming. I can't wait to run away forever.
So all this thing, is done by some local guys who live up here. So
For real?
what they do over here, they camp. They have parties over here. So they do the paint. So when people come, you can probably just sip and paint. So all that is part of it as well.
Do they have these? Are any of these for sale?
Yeah.
Why you want to buy that one?
This is so cool.
Look at this, Johnny. Out of all of them, this was the one she want to buy.
Yeah.
Horny Moon.
Yeah.
Yeah, they sell everything here is for sale actually.
That's amazing.
Really?
I'm surprised they're not here right now. They're probably out. So we'll probably get the contact number when we get back. So
Why you want the freaky painting?
I just think it's cool as a woman on there. Woman.
Yeah.
How they want the freaky painting? So we going in the water?
Yeah, we're going that side. That's what I call my side. That's the side where we get.
Let's rock and roll then, man. Let's hit the hay. Sure.
Yeah.
That one
This
like
shit
the
crazy.
water.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
That like dog water, beach water, bro. I'm cool. No, thank you, sir. No, thank you.
My sandal came off.
It's cause my foot keep turning in my sandal, so I fell. You got thorns in there too. Yeah, I'm good.
Yes, you want to wear? Come on, bruh.
You see these thorns? Yeah. It's all good. They gave us coconut water. This is the best water I ever had in my damn life. What the hell they put in this water? I said, what y'all put in this coconut water? This shit fire.
Oh, that's called coconut.
That's not coconut.
It's the coconut, huh?
Coconut, not no artificial coconut. That's what they give niggas in New York, though.
Yeah, he said New York selling fake coconuts.
Yeah, they do.
Hey, New York, y'all better quit selling them fake coconuts, man.
Puerto Rican coconuts.
Yeah, we don't need them. We want the real shit,
You
man.
want to wet the seat up? You want to wet the seat? Because it's kind of hot, though.
Nah, it's cool.
Welcome to the island.
Yes. Welcome.
Real coconuts, man.
Hell yeah, y'all got
Real
good coconut
coconuts,
water. I know
man.
that.
Sit on this, and then we get the. I'm over it. Don't worry.
Alright.
I don't have to pull that.
Where do I sit, you said?
Right there. Hold on. Wait till you put water on it.
Yeah, that moment.
Unless you don't want to.
Burn.
You don't have to.
What do I do? Thank you. I like to sit on you?
I guess. I don't know what's going on.
Sit on it. It's cool. It's cool. It's up.
Wee! Woo! Yeah! It's crazy.
Yeah,
It's
man.
steep, huh? Woo! Wee! I ain't scared of nothing. Yeah! We gotta make it back home to Halo. Woo! Going downhill. Woo! I wasn't even thinking about this damn bike. Oh shit. Oh, you should have did that, huh? Is this mic still working? That was a mistake.
Thank you.
Audemars, roll it what you want, you can pick one. Out of all your friends, I know you the only thick one. If the party dead, I know you gon' be the lit one. Started your own business, girl, this year you did your big one. Ooh, did your big one. Started your own business, girl, this year you did your big one.
Oh, what's this?
Local juice.
Fresh local juice,
Local
man.
juice.
Local
What
juice.
y'all putting in here?
That ain't going down, my boy.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Let's see what they talking
I'm just happy you all enjoyed
about.
yourself.
That's good. What is it?
Yeah, fresh local
It's called
juice.
Our Special.
Wow.
Trust you, bro.
Nah, you're good. Good. Open it up.
I think they put in this juice, bro.
Sour
I think
orange.
they just freakish.
No, it's sour orange.
Sour orange? Oh,
Yeah.
that's good.
That sour orange my ass.
In the city again, man. No security,
Hey,
no
when
nothing.
you
Cartier
get home,
breaks the
boy.
contract.
Tight shit. Yeah, man. You finna go on in my local liquor store. That's where I go when I'm trying to give me something to eat. Something to chew on, something to drink on. Yeah, got strawberry banana.
I used to walk around like that.
I used to walk around like this. I know I used to probably scare people for no reason. Do I scare you? It look like I'm up to no good. Oh! But that's my 5th time almost tripping in these shoes. Right. I was finna do something. This probably would have been crazy if I wouldn't did it though. I was finna try to bite that bitch, but nah, that would have been crazy. What if I would have missed? Nah, I can't do that. Tripping.
2, 3.
Thank you. Can I get one more, please? One more, please.
Oh my god, we just ate a bunch of food. I'm at the ice cream stand, bro. I don't know what I'm going. I do this every time I go on vacation. Eat crazy.
I say vodka lemon, bro.
I might go banana split on them. What you think? What you get?
I like cookies and cream.
Huh?
I like cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream.
Facts. Johnny know what's up. Johnny know what's up. That's the best one.
Are you? What you get?
Maybe cookies and cream.
That's the best one.
You gotta get.
Give me the strawberry yogurt. Y'all got beef?
So long to meet you. What's up, man?
How you doing?
How you doing? My name is Justin. Right?
Sure,
I check out all your videos, yo.
Appreciate it,
All
bro.
your videos.
Sure, man.
I recently saw the one with Polo G.
Yeah.
Good meeting you, man.
Sure, you too, bro.
Say, can I get a picture with you?
Yeah, come on.
Is it cool? You.
Yeah, I'm
Ready,
on.
1, 2, 3.
Thanks, man. Thanks a lot, man. I enjoying the place so far.
Fun,
Like
man.
the marina and thing?
Yeah.
Getting some ice
The
cream?
Marin thing, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Everything blessed, though?
Yep.
Family good, everybody good?
Yeah, man.
Okay,
Yeah, man.
I hope you're enjoying it, man. My mom's and them on the beach. They just came back from Wisconsin. They're supposed to come check me soon, though. I work at the bar just over there.
Alright, we're gonna be around.
No, no problem, man.
Yes, sir.
Take it easy,
Sure.
check it out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Alright.
Yep, yep. Come on, come here. Damn power went out.
What the hell?
Hello?
Are you hearing me?
Yeah, what
Okay,
room?
so you have the powder room. There is like another room after the powder room with a door.
By the front door?
In there we have the breaker panel.
By the front door.
Something might have tripped.
By the front door?
They want you to do it, bruh. Hell to the no.
Okay, so I just need you to check for me if I will use that.
Hello?
You went too far, bruh.
That's how scary movies start, y'all. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, you hearing me?
Yes, where's the breaker?
Okay, in the little room after the powder room. So if you open that door on the side of the wall, there are two panels.
Two panels.
No.
We'll see what
Is it? inside of the are you saying on the inside of the
Okay. You want to give me a few minutes?
That's a midget, bro.
Yes, please. Yes.
Hello?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Hello?
Yes. Hello? Hello?
You found it?
Set up. No.
So did you flip it?
No.
No.
Yeah?
No, man.
Did you flip the...
You gotta say that.
I said no.
Say no, man.
Okay, so I'm coming.
All right.
Okay.
We'll make it back, y'all. This is how it happened, man. Fuck.
Wow. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, catch the next video.